Classic trucks have always had a special place in the hearts of collectors, but some models stand out, not just for their beauty, but for their rarity and historical significance. One such example is the 1957 GMC 100 NAPCO 4WD pickup, a truck that has been given a no-expense-spared restoration and is now set to turn heads at auction in 2025. To understand why this pickup is such a gem, we have to step back into the 1950s. General Motors introduced the Chevrolet Task Force in 1955, a model series considered one of the most stylish and innovative classic trucks of its era. These trucks were the first GM haulers to offer optional power steering, power brakes, V8 engines, and even the industry's first wraparound windshield. The GMC version, marketed as the Blue Chip, shared the same platform but came with unique features, including a different interior and GM-specific inline-six engines, along with Pontiac-sourced V8s. Fast forward 70 years, and spotting an authentic Blue Chip truck is incredibly rare. While GM produced many Task Force and Blue Chip trucks, most were abandoned or heavily modified, with only a handful surviving in factory-correct condition. This is where the 1957 GMC 100 NAPCO pickup becomes so special. If the term NAPCO sounds unfamiliar, here's the background. NAPCO, short for Northwestern Auto Parts Company, was a four-wheel drive specialist established in 1918. After World War II, NAPCO introduced the Powr-Pak system, a bolt-on 4x4 conversion kit that transformed GM trucks into rugged, go-anywhere machines. Initially available as an aftermarket option, GM began offering NAPCO conversions directly from the factory in 1956, followed by Chevrolet in 1957. Production of NAPCO-equipped trucks ended in 1959 when GM developed its own 4x4 system, making these NAPCO models rare collectibles today. Experts believe fewer than 2,000 trucks were fitted with the Powr-Pak system across all brands, making any surviving example highly desirable. This particular 1957 GMC 100 is a shining star among them. Restored to perfection, it retains its original drivetrain, the robust 347 cubic inch Pontiac V8 paired with a 4-speed manual gearbox and the authentic NAPCO Powr-Pak assembly. All components were carefully rebuilt by experts in Florida, ensuring mechanical integrity alongside visual appeal. The restoration was completed in December 2017, and since then, the truck has logged only 62 miles, essentially making it a showroom-fresh piece of history. While it features some modern upgrades, such as vintage air AC, a retro sound AM/FM stereo, LED lighting, MagnaFlow exhaust, and updated suspension and brakes, it remains far from a resto mod. Its core identity as a factory-correct NAPCO-equipped GMC pickup remains untouched. Visually, the truck dazzles with a custom paint finish, blending classic lines with a refined modern touch. The balance between originality and subtle upgrades ensures it appeals to both purists and enthusiasts seeking usability in today's world. Now, collectors have the chance to own this masterpiece as it heads to Mecum's Dallas-Fort Worth auction on October 31, 2025. Given its rarity, historical importance, and pristine condition, it is expected to draw serious attention and significant bidding. In the world of classic trucks, few vehicles embody the spirit of innovation, rarity, and restoration craftsmanship like this 1957 GMC 100 NAPCO. It stands as a testament to GM's forward-thinking designs of the 1950s and NAPCO's engineering brilliance, a true automotive treasure ready for its next chapter.